derivation of the distribution below. Okay, so how do we go about this? So the requirement is for us to calculate the standard deviation. Okay, but when we are calculating the standard deviation for a grouped data like this, okay, we have to figure out the arithmetic mean, okay, which stands for summation fx over summation f. Okay, and for the standard deviation, which is xd, standard deviation, the formula is square root of f into x minus x bar square over summation f. Okay, so let us divine everything we are having here. Okay, so the age in my first column, I will represent it as x. Okay, the frequency as f in my second column here. Okay, so I have my ages ranges from between 1 to 5, while the frequency is 3. Here is 6 to 10, while my frequency is 5, while the last one is 11 to 15, my frequency is 2. So the other thing I need to figure out is fx, okay? And fx means I can multiply these together. That is my third column, okay? So I'm having, but before I can figure out fx, I have to figure out what x stands for, sorry. And to figure out what x stands for, I have to add up this together, which is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. I'll divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 11 plus 5 is 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Okay, so I'll figure out my fx, which is this, which is the third column. So I have 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 13 should be 26. Okay, so let me calculate the mean from here. And my mean says I should add up fx. That's the first thing. I should add up fx. This 66 plus 9. So when I calculate 66 plus 9, I should be having 75. So this should be 75. So I should add up all my frequency, which is summation f. 3 plus 5 is 8. With this is 10. So my mean, so therefore, my mean equals to summation fs, which is 75, divided by summation f, which is 10. So I'm having 7.5. That is my mean. Okay, but I have to calculate my standard deviation. So let me come to this place. I already have my f. Okay, so I have to figure out my x minus x bar. So that is the next column. X minus x bar. So meaning I should subtract these, okay, from each values here, which is x. So the first one is 3 minus 7.5 is up to I'm having minus 4.5. Okay, when you subtract this from 3, you'll be having negative, minus this, you should be having 0.5. So when you say 13 minus 7.5, we have 5.5. So we have to square this, okay? So minus 4.5 times this gives us 20.25, minus another is plus. 0.5 times 0.5 gives us 0.25. 5.5 gives us 30.25. When you look for the square of each, you have this. So the last column here is to multiply f, okay, with s minus s bar square. So when you say 3 times this, you should have 60.75. When you say 5 times this, you should have 1.25. When you say 13 times this, you should have 60.50. Okay, so you add up. When you add up everything you have here, you have 122.50. Okay, so to now tidy up our answer, okay, which is to get our standard deviation, we say standard deviation equals to what everything we have here is 122.50 divided by summation f is 10. Okay, our result we square it. At the end of the day, when you use your calculator, you have 3.5. Thank you.